Hello, everyone. I'm excited to share 25 affirmations that blend self worth, love, peace, beauty, and harmony. Of course, all of these high vibrational feelings exist in the natural world. Get comfortable and repeat after me. I am as steady and grounded as the ancient trees, rooted in my worth and growing toward my highest potential. Like the sun rising each day, I radiate love, light, and warmth to myself and those around me. I am beautiful inside and out, like the blooming wildflowers that thrive in their own time and space. My heart flows with love and peace as naturally as rivers carve paths through the earth. I am worthy of love and kindness, just as the sky is worthy of holding the stars each night. My soul is calm and tranquil, like a serene lake reflecting the beauty of the world around it. I am in harmony with myself, others, and nature, just as the seasons work together in perfect rhythm. Like the ocean's waves, I embrace change, knowing my strength is constant and infinite. My worth is unshakable, as timeless and eternal as the mountains. I bloom in my own season, and my beauty is unique, like the petals of a lotus flower. I find peace within, like the gentle stillness of a forest at dawn. I shine with the same brilliance and beauty as the full moon lighting up the night sky. I am deserving of love and respect as the earth deserves the gentle touch of rain. Like the butterflies emerging from their cocoons, I embrace my transformation with grace and love. I am a reflection of nature's beauty, as perfect and complete as the vast horizon. I breathe in peace and exhale all that no longer serves me, like the wind moving through open meadows. My heart is filled with harmony, like birds singing in perfect unison at sunrise. I honor my worth, knowing that even the smallest wildflower brings beauty to the earth. I love and accept myself fully, like the earth lovingly embraces the seeds that grow within it. My inner light shines brightly, like the stars, guiding travelers on their journey. I trust the flow of life as rivers trust their path toward the sea. My peace is unshakable, like the deep stillness found in the heart of the forest. I carry beauty within me, like the golden light of the sun, touching everything it meets. My soul dances with joy and love, like leaves fluttering in the gentle breeze. I am enough, just as the earth is enough to nourish and sustain life with its abundant gifts. These affirmations are designed to remind you of your intrinsic worth and your beauty while connecting with the peace and harmony found in the abundance of nature. Now, please take the next few minutes to just sit still and breathe. Nice, deep, quiet breaths in, nice, deep, quiet breaths out through your nose or mouth. Just sit comfortably and breathe. Breath is life. Breath is your life. Without breath, we would not be here. So enjoy this present moment. Enjoy the life force that you provide yourself with every time you breathe in and out. Continue to breathe in and out slowly but surely, creating a rhythm that is yours and yours alone. Focus on abundance, focus on the beauty of nature, focus on your hopes, and focus on your dreams. Namaste.